decorators! This week we are finishing up our project we started last week. We are finishing our Matisse-inspired paper vases. And I noticed a lot of you finished these last week. You're supposed to stop where I stopped in the video. If you kept going, that's okay. That just means you have less work to do this week. Our paper vases, we still need to color on the other half of the paper and then put them together to make them 3D. If you remember, Matisse is an artist. Matisse has a lot of paintings that he draws and paints vases in, and those vases have a lot of patterns. Our patterns are going to be used with lines, shapes, colors even. Here's my other example. Okay, let's get into it and finish our vases. Last week we completed the backs. We're going to flip those over and do the other side. So once again, your supplies are all up to you, and the types of patterns you do is all up to you. I don't want you to copy exactly what I do because you are your own artist. So this is sped up. Please take your time when you are making yours. For this one, I'm just using a Sharpie, and I drew some lines, and then I did a pattern with circles and wavy lines. Found out that Sharpie was dried up. You could start a pattern with a Sharpie like this and then go in and color it with crayons, markers, whatever colors you would like. Moving on to the other side of this vase, I decided to do markers with polka dots, and I am using a dark pink, a light pink, and doing different size of dots. Polka dots is a pattern because it's the same shape repeated over and over. So you could do polka dots, but like polka stars, you could do hearts, you could do whatever kind of shape you want over and over is a pattern. You could look at other parts of like your environment, so where you are. So your clothes may have patterns, the decorations in your house may have patterns. Lots of things have patterns. So I decided to add in lots of tiny polka dots. Now that we have both sides of both papers done, we are going to cut one line coming from the top, and we're stopping in the middle. The other one, we're coming in through the bottom and stopping in the middle. If this is too fast, you can pause it, but they go into each other, and then you fold each part of the vase. Once yours is interlocked and they are folded, you can use whatever tape you want. You don't necessarily need tape, it will still work without it, but tape makes it a lot stronger. The best tape to use is this clear Scotch tape, but if you have other tape that isn't clear, that will work as well. So I'm using tape on each side of my crease. There we are. And this is to lock those two pieces of paper together and keep that 3D look. So then we can unfold it, and there it is. It is 3D. I'm cutting off the bottom so it stays standing. There we are. I hope you had fun with this. Way to go! Now our vases are finished! Yay! Don't forget to take a photo of your vase and post it on to our Google Classroom. That is so I can see that you've done the work and I can give you that check for the week. Bye!